video, I'll be demonstrating the user settings. So firstly, make sure you're within the admin section and then go to where it says users. Once you've selected that, you'll notice along the top it says show license details. If you select this, it will basically have all the information regarding your licenses. So for example, how many licenses you guys have, the number of licenses that are being used, and the number of licenses that are available to be used. And if you'd like to hide the details, you just press hide license details and that will disappear. And then you'll notice below that you have a list of all of the users, and you can basically see as many as 10 or as many as 100 on one page at a time, and then it will give you the page numbers at the bottom. You can filter the users via selecting the drop downs above. So for example, where it says admin, you can select whether or not you'd like to see the admins. You can select whether you'd like to see if they're active or not. You can select whether you'd like to see whether they are licensed or not, and you can also select if you'd like to see the portal users, or you can just search the user directly as well. You can also select into a user and edit their information via typing in the text boxes or selecting down the drop down menus. And again, if you'd like to change them to admin, you can do that here. If they're not active anymore, you can select no, and if they're not licensed anymore, you can select no here as well. You also have the option to add a picture, so you just select the picture icon and it will take you through to your records. You basically then select an image and press open, and that will appear here. You can also edit their email signatures if they have one. If they don't, you can select them if there's any here already. So you can select the email signature and it will basically say current signature has been unsaved. That will be lost. Are you sure you'd like to do this? If you are, you press yes. If no, you press no. And then you can select email templates if you have any, or you can pop in your email signature here and then press save signature, and that will save that email signature against this user. Or if you're not happy to save, you just press cancel signature and that will disappear. And then if you'd like to get rid of this, you just press show user profile. And then you also have at the top the option to be able to enable insights. What that will do is make this user only able to use colleague insights. So if you select this, a blue bar will appear, basically just reiterating that, making sure that you're okay with this user only being able to use colleague insight. If you are, you press OK, and then that will make this user a colleague insight user. Whereas if you didn't want that, you just press disable insight and it will go back to being a regular user. You also have along the bottom, if for example they've forgotten their password, you just select this link here and then you create the new password for them, and that will reset their password. Okay, so if you'd like to hide the user you've selected, just press hide user and it will get rid of that information for you. You also have the option along the top to create a new user. You just select this option here and then pop in the relevant information regarding the new user and then select save user. If you'd like to cancel, you just press cancel and it will get rid of that for you. And I hope this helps.